How to leave a league in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Premier League application on your device and then tap on the Fantasy option you see there. Here, if you go ahead and scroll down in this particular interface, you will be able to view all your leagues in here. And now, in order to leave a league, tap on the Configure League option you see there on top. And with this, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your leagues. So go ahead and tap on the arrow-like icon right beside the league that you want to leave, and you will see the option for Yes, I want to leave this league. So tap on the Yes, I want to leave this league option you see there, and with this, you will no longer be a part of that particular league. So this was about how you can leave a league in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.